Hello.
Hello.
Hi. Please read this information. Everything okay?
Okay.
Okay. Please sanitize your hand. May I check your temperature?
Sure.
Perfect. Okay. Would you change your slipper? We already sanitized.
Okay.
Okay, just please follow me. We will cover with both a mask and face sheet. At the time of facial treatment, please take off your mask and feel free to receive your treatment. Mahalo. Hello. If you don't mind, it's okay to remove your mask during the treatment. I wear the mask all the time. Okay, let's do the massage. Hello everybody. We are implementing COVID-19 measures. Number 1, replace the air. Number 2, sanitize and relax your room with the aroma diffuser. Number 3, put the disposable cover on the basket to put on your clothes. Number 4, we must always sanitize the hand before and after treatment. Number 5, replace all used sheets and covers every time. And exchange sheets. Please contact us 941-2410 or reserve at Kuub.com. Mahalo!